Eurosonic is one of the biggest and most important showcases, definitely in Europe, if not the whole world. And we've got two really great artists playing this year, CVC and the Family Battenberg, who have kind of done our job for us. Everyone already wants to come and see them, so it's been very easy to promote, which is great. And we have a mixer as well, so we'll have lots of people in the room. It'll be nice and busy.
Can't wait. It's always a pleasure over in the Netherlands. People here are so lovely, they're so welcoming and open to a good show, so we're just excited to play our show.
Great, man.
Pretty good, yeah.
Really looking forward to it. It's a cool space.
First show in Netherlands.
Yeah.
Pretty excited.
Last year was sort of like our first run of international stuff, which was fun.
Yeah.
And we're just always excited to play our music to new people.
Eurosonic di un o'r trif gwyliau, fe maen nhw'n gael y Showcase Festival yn Ewrop ac yn y byd i ddweud y gwir. Felly mae'n cyfle rili dda i actiau Cymraeg i ddod i cael chwarae yn ei showcases fel yma. Ond hefyd, mae'n cyfle rili dda i ni sôn amdani gyd o'r pethau dda da ni'n neud yn Cymru ac i dechrau fatha allborio ddim jyst yr actiau, ond y syniadau a'r stwff da ni'n neud adre, mae'n cyfle i ni esbonio hwnna i pawb yn enwedig y pethau da ni'n neud yn ystod Focus Wales, falle cynhadledd ni, a mae Sarah wedi siarad o'r panel heddiw, mae Andy wedi bod yn cyfrannu at podcast heddiw. So mae'n rili dda, mae'n platfform rili pwysig yn Ewrop i dangos I pawb beth sy'n digwydd yn Cymru.
To come and play somewhere like this at a big showcase festival, it is a lot of work. You do have to put the hours in to get here and make it happen. But I think there is a good payoff because you are in a dedicated location where there's loads of music industry all here to watch you, and you can network and meet everyone in one place.
90% of the bands that I know that have done stuff abroad have like been probably something to do with Focus of Wales along the way. So yeah, they're big players in the game.
It's great opportunity for bands out in the Cardiff scene. You know, Family Battenberg are here as well, so it's good to hang out with those guys, to see them. They're a great band. Yeah, and it's just excited to be out of Wales with Welsh artists.
I think it's phenomenal. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's kind of like the one really reliable way of kind of getting out and about.
Yeah, getting Welsh artists abroad.
Yeah, it's hard enough like breaking into England, starting off in Wales. So, like, it's great.
They do some stuff like all over the globe. They do South by Southwest over in Austin.
Yeah, they do loads of stuff for loads of people, don't they? I mean, like, they've just got these connections and they can make it easy for us, people like us, bands, you know, sort of just breaking out to get over here and stuff.
And it's good to have opportunities. Somebody is a platform for artists with Focus Wales, which we need to be sustainable if we want to do this, you know. So thank you, Focus Wales.
Canlyniad uniongyrchol o'r gwaith da ni'n neud yn Cymru yn ystod fatha gwyl Focus Wales. Da ni'n gweithio trwy'r flwyddyn a pethau, wrth gwrs, ond mae'r gwyl Focus Wales ydy'r fatha'r y pwynt lle mae gyd o'r perthnasau rhyngwladol sydd gennym ni yn y diwydiant cerddoriaeth yn dod at ei gilydd. So da ni'n dod a gyd o'r pobl yma I Cymru. A mae hwnna'n creu y cyfle wedyn ni symud allan a pwysio allan y Cymru a cymryd pethau o dan banner ni I digwyddiadau eraill. A mae hwnna yn creu y fatha'r llwyfan neu'r platfform ar gyfer diwylliant Cymru. A hwnna ydy'r pwynt mwyaf pwysig. Dyna ydy pwynt mae'r Focus Wales yn bodoli. A holl pwynt o bob dim da ni'n neud ydy y syniad yma o hyrwyddo diwylliant Cymru yn Cymru ar gyfer cynulleidfa rhyngwladol ac yn rhyngwladol a cymryd fatha be da ni'n neud sy'n hwnt I Cymru a esbonio I pawb pa mor pwysig mae o.